Hello, everyone. We will be covering the topic of vitamin K supplementation in the prevention of cancer. First, we would like to begin by giving background information on vitamin K. Adequate intake of vitamin K among adults is 120 micrograms and 90 micrograms for men and women. The National Academy of Sciences has not established upper intake limits, suggesting a low risk factor in consuming high amounts of vitamin K. There are 3 versions of vitamin K that serve important roles in the human body. Vitamin K1, phylloquinone, vitamin K2, menaquinone, and vitamin K3, menadione. While vitamin K1 is mainly known for its function in producing clotting factors, vitamin K2 and K3 are undergoing research for their role in the prevention and treatment of cancer.
A 2018 study from China found that vitamin K2 has anti-cancer effect against several cancers in vitro, including hepatocellular carcinoma, leukemia, and ovarian, pancreatic, and colorectal cancer. This study further found that vitamin K2 supplementation was able to inhibit tumor growth in mice implanted with hepatocellular carcinoma cells. Additionally, mice with colorectal cancer cells that were treated with vitamin K2 supplementation had no changes in fur or weight, both of which were changed substantially in the control group. Bona et al. Examined the effect of K3 in inhibiting tumor growth in vitro and in vivo. The MYC oncogene plays a vital role in the development of gastric cancer via the regulation of the CDC25 phosphatase family, which is essential to cell division cycle progression. The authors tested K3 both in vitro and in non-human primates and found that K3 was successful in reducing proliferation and promoting cell cycle arrest of gastric cancer cell lines. A recent 2022 review study examines the range of anti-cancer properties of vitamin K in epidemiological studies. The authors found that vitamin K1 is inversely associated with the risk of pancreatic cancer and apoptosis of a variety of cancer cells through its involvement in the regulation of gene and protein expression. These findings bring up the following question: does vitamin K supplementation actually lead to a lower risk of developing cancer in humans?
A 2004 study begins to answer that question. Habu et al. Conducted a study in Japan examining the effect of vitamin K2 supplementation on the initiation of hepatocellular carcinoma, or HCC. Women diagnosed with viral liver cirrhosis due to hepatitis B and C were randomly assigned to the treatment group receiving 45 milligrams of vitamin K2 daily, or to the control group. At the end of the 2-year study, 9 women in the control group had HCC detected, while only 2 women in the treatment group had detectable levels of HCC. This was found to be a statistically significant result. Researchers concluded that vitamin K2 supplementation may be effective in reducing the risk of developing HCC in female patients with viral liver cirrhosis. The authors also pointed out that vitamin K2 supplementation was found to be safe, relatively low cost, and easy to use, which assisted with participant compliance with treatment. This study also prompted further studies analyzing the use of vitamin K supplementation in the prevention of recurrence of HCC. A 2013 meta-analysis included 6 randomized controlled trials and 1 cohort study with a total of 930 former HCC patients who underwent curative surgery or ablation therapy. Participants in the treatment groups received a daily dose of 45 or 90 milligrams of vitamin K2 postoperatively. Researchers found that although the vitamin K2 supplementation given to patients with HCC did not have a measurable effect after 1 year, there was a significant decrease in tumor recurrence for the 2 and 3 year follow-ups, and there was a significant impact on overall survival for the treatment groups. There was also no adverse effects reported from the vitamin K2 supplementation.
In conclusion, vitamin K supplementation has been shown to be safe, cost-effective, and easy to use with a very low risk of toxicity. Even though research in regards to vitamin K supplementation is limited, current literature has shown that various types of vitamin K supplementation have a positive impact on the prevention and complementary treatment for cancer patients. Thank you for listening.